back to cooking with Charlie. So, as you can see, I did frog jump entrance, and that means we're making frog legs. Really good. So, first you wanna take out your frog legs and put them in a jar with your tongs. Then you wanna cover them like the frog legs with buttermilk. Basically, I'd say about a cup, but make sure they're covered around that. For your seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, like that. A teaspoon of Old Bay, a new seasoning. Then you mix it up. I'll use the tongs for that. So that all the seasoning spreads out onto all the frog legs equally. So that it tastes really good. Refrigerate the frog legs for at least an hour, I would say. You want to add 2 cups of cornmeal into this, or like a jar or whatever. Then you have 1 cup of flour added. You have 2 tablespoons of Old Bay. 2 tablespoons. Mix it around with like the cornmeal, the flour, and the Old Bay. You want to mix all of that round until you get this color. You take your frog legs out one by one, like this. And give your frog legs a good old shake. Use the round lid. Give them a good shake in all of the mixture you just mixed in. Like that. So then they're coated. They look so good, I just want to know. And then you add them in one more time back into there. So you double dip. You add the lid on to where you put in the frog legs. And again, you give it a good shake. Well, that sound good. And then you take each frog leg out. 1, 4 time, and put them where you mixed all the cornstarch, flour, and Old Bay. And then another good shake. Now you just have to put it in the air fryer. Maybe give it a good shake so like extra stuff doesn't fall into the air fryer. Once you have all of them then you put it in to the air fryer. Turn it to 10 minutes at 400, like that. And then you also wanna, after 5 minutes, you wanna flip them over so that the other side also gets cooked. Then you're good. Alright, So here's the frog leg fully cooked. Honestly, it just looks like chicken. We're gonna take the first bite of the frog leg. I really like it, but like for what it tastes like, I'd say it's like a celery flavored chicken. That is just my opinion though. You gotta try to see your opinion. So yeah, comment down below if you like it or not. For the frog legs, I would recommend the breading from the Korean chicken video, my first video that I posted, because this one I didn't really like the cornstarch on the breading, but you can try both and just use the one that you would prefer most.